Hi there. Okay, time for another little video tutorial on how to use my digital backdrops. You can see here I have two layers. I have my model and my backdrop. So right here you can see that there's nothing on the backdrop. Just overlay any image you want to use onto your backdrop and then go on your quick selection tool and you're going to go around and select just your subject that's in the photo.
Wish I could stop breaking, spend all day just thinking for.
And if this happens where you basically select too much, just hit the option key and it'll bring up a little minus sign and then you can just draw right over it and it'll basically do the opposite and take away. Okay, then you're going to go kind of around the image and make sure that you selected everything that you need to have selected, which is your subject. And you can see right here, I didn't select all the hair. So the next thing you're going to do is go, I don't know if you can see that with the video, but I am on select and you're going to do refine edge. You're going to change this to on layer, which is now going to show you exactly what it'll look like on your backdrop. The next thing I like to do is smooth it out a little bit and also up the contrast, which is going to smooth the lines where you just selected, but by upping the contrast, you're also going to make it somewhat a sharper line. Now you can see right here, little bits of white that's coloring from the original photo where she was at the beach. It's kind of backlit, so you have a lot of light on her. So click this right here and change it to 50. And you can see by doing that, you're kind of taking the color from the edges and it's going to kind of reduce that a little bit. Like that. Now you can see the hair. The hair is usually what people struggle with the most. All you have to do is make your brush a little bit bigger and you're going to paint over where the hair is. Which you can see is bringing back the background and it's going to kind of fine tune what it's doing. It's going to kind of find the color tones where I'm basically keeping the hair, but I'm not keeping the background. So right here you can see it just did all that for me with just brushing over it, where now you can see through the hair and you have the background where it needs to be. Okay, once you're done with all that, you can just hit OK. And now you can see that it went around and selected exactly what it needed to. You also have your masking layer right here, so you can actually go around and continue to work on this. And that's how you use a digital backdrop. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and as you can see, there's different ways to do it. You can either use a masking layer, or you can do exactly how I just showed you with the select and then fine tune what in the image you're selecting, which is really easy and quick to do.